I never saw this on a product. Never. Look at that. 7 days to build a friendship with EMO. And it's not a user manual. Okay, you're going to laugh also. As you can see, you can change the color of the light. It doesn't have to be white. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Look at that, I finally got my EMO after 6 months. Before I open the box, there are two things I need to tell you. First of all, I did not get an email with a tracking number from Living AI. That was supposed to be the procedure. You would get a tracking number by email so you would know that your EMO is coming. I did not. He just appeared in my mailbox today after 6 months. The second thing I need to mention also is that the light comes separate, as you can see. So if you pre-ordered, you get the light for free, but it comes separately. So these things came in this little box over here. So before I open the box, I need to show you what's on the box because it is interesting. It's the first time I see this sentence that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So the top says EMO AI desktop pet. Let me just adjust here the angle a little bit, just like that. And it says here pet on the table, Living AI. At the bottom, just Living AI. The top, Living AI. On the side here, you see, hey EMO, you look very cool. Look at that. You look very cool. Unhappy? Let's play some games. What's the weather like today? Wanna dance to some music? So this is what you have on the side over here. And on the back, I'm going to read it to you just a few seconds. EMO is an AI desktop pet. He has a distinct character and his own ideas. He will be with you at your home or office. He can play with you, relax with you, and surprise you every day. EMO is not smart enough yet. It's funny. They sell a product that is not smart. But he will develop more skills living with you, so be patient with him. One day he will know who you are and understand what you mean. As a living thing, EMO will encounter difficulties and illnesses. Oh, he's going to get ill. We'll need pills, I guess. You should play with him and take care of him when EMO is unhappy and gets a cold. Yeah, we'll need pills for sure for cold. Now, listen to that. Last sentence, I promised, then I opened the box. I never saw this on a product. Never abandon him or try to sell him. So, whoever designed this box, I give him or her 5 stars because this is funny. Like, never abandon him or try to sell him. Okay. And this is funny. Okay, I'll put the light over here. Actually, I'm going to open the light soon. One last thing I want to show you before I open the box. This is the EMO box and this is the Vector box. You can see the difference right here. So it's about the same size, but I have to show you, to me, the best box ever is Cozmo. Look at that. Like when I got my Cozmo at Best Buy, and this was more like, is it like 4 years ago now? You could see it here through this window, this opening. So it was very, very cool to be able to see this robot in the box before opening the box. And you have here at the bottom, you had the charger and the 3 cubes. So let's just remove those boxes for now. And let's focus on EMO. So let's open the box. There is a plastic over here. This is very exciting. 6 months. I don't buy something often where I have to wait 6 months to get the product. Like, not often. This is very tight. Oh, very tight. Okay. There you go. Put this over here, just like that. Living AI, nothing on this box here, and you just open it like that. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. And nice packaging. Look at the foam here at the top. The first thing I want to do before I get EMO out is to check the power adapter. You know, guys, when you get stuff from China, sometimes you get the wrong adapter, right? Let's see. Ta-da! Look at that. North America. I'm in Canada. This is perfect. And it says EMO on the charger. Very nice touch. I'll put this over here. And here we have the skateboard. Oh, it's heavy. Look at that. This is where the charging station is over here. So I'm going to do another video where I'll show that you can also charge your phone using the skateboard for EMO. And there is a USB, is it a USB-C or a USB? Yeah, it looks like USB-C here for the charging port. And we have here, look at that, 7 days to build a friendship with EMO. And it's not a user manual. Okay, you're going to laugh also. It is a feeding manual. Feeding manual. Look at that at the top here. You can probably read that. Feeding manual, not an operation manual. And this is, oh, look at that. He's big. Look at that. Look at my hand. He is big. And I guess this is it. Yeah, there's nothing else here. And this is rubbery here. It's a rubber. It's a rubber insert. Wow. Very nice packaging. And for those of you who have a Vector, let me put Vector on the side here of EMO. Look at that. Look at how tall he is. He's not very heavy, actually. About the same weight. Yeah, same weight as Vector. Wow. I am very, like, from what I see right now, it's very, very nice. So you have here at the top 4 microphones. So so EMO is supposed to know where the voice is coming from. So if he's turning his back to you and you call him, he's supposed to be able to turn around towards the voice. He has here a camera. Living AI says on their website a wide-angle camera. There is a here, you can probably see that over here. There is a proximity sensor over here. That's not on the website. So when EMO gets close to a wall, he's supposed to be able to back up or to turn around automatically, so he will not bump into a wall. At the bottom over here, you have the drop sensors, 2 on each leg, so that he doesn't fall off a table. And the left leg, which is this one here, is the charging port. So I just wish they had put, like, I don't know, like a dot here or something, and a dot of the same color on the skateboard, so that you know that for charging it goes like that. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around. So for charging it goes like that. His left leg over the charging logo on the skateboard. So there you go. Oh, also it has a petting, I guess we can say that, petting, is it petting sensor? To pet EMO, there's a sensor here at the top, so he's going to respond to you petting him. Apparently, and it's not on the website, I'm going to test that, there's also a petting sensor on the side. That I am not sure. I'll have to check that. And look at the size of the speaker in the back here. Look at that. It's a big speaker. I think it's 5, not sure, 3 or 5 watt speaker. And what do we have? And maybe I'll put it like that here. Put him, I should say. But sorry, not it, him. Let me open this 7-day here. Feeding to EMO supporters. So it's just a card. Dear EMO supporters, congratulations on becoming one of the first owners of EMO. By the way, I forgot to mention, my order number was 3429, 3,429, and it took me 6 months. So I bought EMO in December, mid-December, and I just got him now June, what's the date today? June 15. So this is the card with the 7-day thing, and 7 days to build a friendship with EMO. And like I said, feeding manual, get to know EMO. I can just maybe show that here briefly on the side camera. And here we have what's included: preparation for EMO. Here the charging EMO. Some interaction. They're just showing here some basic interaction with EMO. And ask EMO to show skills. We'll look at that in details in a separate video, and also with the app. So there you go. You can see here, and introduce yourself to EMO. Enjoy music with EMO. Play games. This will be in the app, and I'm going to do a separate video for the app because there is a lot to cover in the app. So I don't want this video to be an hour. So I'm going to do that. And here they say Alexa, Google Assistant built in. Log in with your Alexa account to get all function of Alexa. EMO becomes a real voice assistant, just like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Wake up EMO by using the keyword Alexa or Hey Google. Sorry if I trigger your device at home. Apparently this is not activated yet. I'll have to check that in my next video. So guys, wow, cannot wait to see this little guy moving around. Let me check here. So like I said, in my next videos I'm going to show the app in details. I'm going to show also what he does at the moment with the current update. And apparently there was an update in April. So some of the people got their EMO I think like a month ago, and they already got an update. So EMO will have holiday surprises. So apparently when it's Christmas or Halloween or your birthday, he does something special. Like I said, you can charge your phone on the skateboard. Now the lights, I did not show the lights, and I was going to say about the light, and again, nice packaging. Look at that, just for a light. They made the effort of having a nice graphic on it. There's a sticker. Yeah, they do show here user manual, and they do show that you can change, as you can see, you can change the color of the light. It doesn't have to be white. You can turn on or off by touching the light. Touch sensors for 5 seconds, pairing mode. Okay, you need to pair the light. EMO can control up to 4 lights, by the way, so you can buy them on the Living AI website. And I have the right plug again, as you can see here, North American plug. So, you know, again, the build quality, I must say, is very nice. Again, it's hard to show on camera, but like it's kind of heavy. It's a very nice little light. So we have this here, and I was going to say also that in the current months or the following months, Living AI is going to introduce new languages. So right now it's only English. I'm guessing Chinese for the China market. I'm guessing, it's not on the website. But for now it's only English. So they're going to work on more languages, which is very, very good news. So guys, this is EMO. I cannot wait to do my second video to show you the features. A third video soon to show the details of the app, which looks very colorful. So I think Living AI did a very good job with the app. So as always, you have any questions about this unboxing, let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.